Hi aspirants, welcome to another video. This is part 15, learning geography through MCQ. Today we are going to talk on various aspects of our plains including Indian geography. So without any delay, let's start. Our first question is, the northern plains of India are primarily formed due to the deposition of alluvium brought by Himalayan rivers only, peninsular rivers only, both Himalayan and peninsular rivers, ancient marine transgression. Remember, in plains, northern plains of India, the rivers coming from Himalaya are more, but from peninsular India also, the rivers are rich in the northern plains of India. How? Chambal River, Sindh River, Betwa River, Son River, Punpun River, they are all going from peninsular India, that is plateau, towards the northern plains. So both Himalayan and peninsular river is the correct answer. Okay, C is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Which of the following river system contributes the largest amount of sediment load to the northern plains annually? Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna. Remember, all these rivers are coming down from the Himalaya. So Indus is also very big river, but its area in India is very less. It moved from the Leh Ladakh and Karakoram belts. So the amount with the question is asking is less. Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna can be. Yamuna is not an option because D is also a tributary of Ganga. So A and D is eliminated from the question. So the right answer is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra carries largest water volume and sedimentation carrying from the China towards Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So highest deposition is from Brahmaputra. Next, the term Bhabar refers to floodplains with fine clay deposits, marshy belts with stagnant water, narrow belt of pebbles and boulders along the foothills, old alluvial plain with concur. Remember, I told you before in my previous video also on northern plains of India, we know Bhabar is a type of geological plain. We know that this is at the foothill regions of the mountains, so it mostly contains pebbles and boulders. Alright, so C is the right answer. Okay, next question. Which characteristic correctly differentiates Khadar and from Bhangar? Khadar, remember, it's a floodplain, and Bhangar is a old alluvial soil plain. Okay, so Khadar has concur, Bhangar does not. Khadar is older alluvial, no and not at all. Khadar is renewed annually by floods. Khadar occurs only in Punjab. Remember, Khadar is renewed annually by floods because I have already mentioned it is also named as a floodplains. That's why the renewal of soil is always constant every year. So technically C is the right answer. Okay, next question. Which of the following region is most associated with meander scars and oxbow lakes? Punjab plains, Ganga middle plain, Rajasthan desert, Bhabar belt. Remember, the meander scars and oxbow lakes generally occur from any river in plain is at maturity levels or maturity regions. All right. So Ganga in the middle plain can be the right answer because in desert there is no oxbow Bhabar belts. All right, they are in the foothill plain or regions or Punjab plains. No, they are very newly regions. So we can call it Ganga middle plain or the end part of the plain. Okay. Next question. Doab region refers to area between two rivers, seasonal flood basins, deltic plain or Piedmont zone. Remember, I told you in previous video also, Doab means it's an Arabic word. Do means two and ab means water. So the land between two water is called Doab. So area between two rivers is a answer. So A is the right answer. Okay, next question. Which factor is primarily responsible for the uniform relief of the northern plains? Absence of tectonic activity, long period of aggradation, wind erosion, and volcanic deposition. D cannot be the right answer to this. We can consider that there are so many factors which is including wind erosion also, but remember, long period of aggradation is more close answer to the question. So generally B, long period of aggradation or deposition is the real reason of it. Which of the following plains is most prone to shifting and flooding? Upper Ganga plain, middle Ganga plain, lower Ganga plain, Punjab plain. Remember, anywhere where the river is achieving its maturity, there the overall flow of river goes down. kinetic force of water gets less. So due to less force in water, they turn or they meander a lot, all right, and they can cause more shifting of the river, including flooding also. So in the sense lower Ganga plains. So in lower regions like West Bengal, there is more flood, right? Next question. Which soil type dominates the northern plains? Laterite, red soil, alluvial soil, black cotton soil. Remember, laterite soil is a patches found in patches in Western Ghats and as well as some part of UP and Bihar. Red soil is mostly found in southern peninsular India. Alluvial soil in northern plains and black cotton soil in patchy regions of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, including peninsular India. Alluvial soil is the right answer to this because northern plains is asked. Okay, next question. The fertility of northern plains is mainly due to volcanic ash deposition, no. High humus content, regular deposition of mineral rich silt, high forest cover. Now, here in the western parts of the northern plains, we don't find so much of vegetation dominance. We mostly see vegetation dominance in eastern part. So in that regard, high humus content is far related to this, but more associated is regular deposition of mineral rich silt, because most of the Himalayan river bringing lot of soil, topsoil erosion from the Himalayas, bringing too much of minerals and rich silt deposits. So C is the right answer to this. Next question. Which of the following rivers does not form a major part of Ganga drainage system? Ghagra, Gandak, Son and Luni. Remember, Ghagra is also a northern tributary of Ganga. Gandak also. Son is the southern tributary of Ganga, and Luni is not at all the tributary of Ganga. It is flowing in a Rajasthan. It is a dry river. Okay. So technically, the river who does not form major part of the Ganga drainage system is basically Luni, because it is not the part of it. Which physiographic division of northern plains extends into Pakistan? Brahmaputra plain, Punjab plain, Ganga delta and Assam valley. Remember, Ganga delta is restricted till Haryana and Delhi. So Assam valley not at all, it is in northeast. Punjab plains can be considered because the Punjab which India has is a small Punjab, and most of Punjab is in Lahore, Islamabad. So Punjab plain is the one who is close to the questions answer. So Punjab plain is the right answer. Next, which one of the following correctly explains why the Punjab plains are relatively narrower compared to the Ganga plains? Okay, lesser rainfall in the Indus basin, greater lateral erosion by rivers, proximity of the Aravalli range, and faster deposition due to the steeper river gradients. Remember, Punjab plains is a plain region, but most of the Punjab plain is found in Pakistan. We cannot say that it's not broader, but yes, from Ganga plain, it's not that much broader as compared to the Ganga. So technically D, faster deposition due to the steeper river gradients. Which climatic factor makes the northern plains ideal for intensive agriculture? Low temperature variation, long forest free period, high altitude, sparse rainfall. Remember, climatic factor which is impacting the northern plains ideal intensive agriculture is due to most of the regions are having high amount of rainfall also, and long forest also. So you can consider long frost free period. All right, there is no frost. The northern plains play a crucial role in India's population distribution, mainly because of mineral resources, transport barriers, fertile land and water availability, dense forests. So C is clearly shown to be the real answer. So we can say C is the real answer. Okay, next. Which area of northern plain is known as the granary of India? Assam Valley, Punjab, Haryana plains, Lower Ganga Delta and Western Uttar Pradesh. Punjab, Haryana Delta we all know is a plains. Haryana plains are the granary of it. We know that most of the extensive agriculture and highest irrigation method is happening in these regions. They are commercial farming regions which actually provides, we also call it Annadata of India. Okay, it provides massive amount of winter crops, including the varieties of basmati rice and wheat crop, right? So Punjab, Haryana plains are the called as granary. Which of the following best explains the absence of large waterfalls in northern plains? Hard rock structure, uniform slope, low rainfall, dense vegetation. Remember, low rainfall is one of the reason, and uniform slope is also one of the reason. But most closest answer is uniform slope. All right, because it is mostly uniform and not too much variable in the height. The Ganga Brahmaputra Delta is classified as Arcuate Delta, Birdfoot Delta, Cascade Delta, or Tidal Delta. Remember, Ganga Brahmaputra Delta comes, it is the largest delta in the world. We know it as a Sundarban Delta in Bangladesh as well as in West Bengal of India. So it is termed as a Arcuate Delta that we have in India as well as Bangladesh, connected with Bay of Bengal. Okay, next, which of the following natural hazards is most frequent in the northern plains? Earthquake, cyclone, flood, landslide. Remember, floods are one of the most natural hazard, frequent natural hazard that we see often in northern plains, because waterlogging is massive in these places. Last is, the northern plains were formed mainly during which geological period? Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Remember Precambrian era? It was a very 650 million years back. Before that, so it is not the option. Paleozoic is the secondary era, and Mesozoic third, and Cenozoic. You can consider the Cenozoic, which is currently going on. When the Cenozoic started, Tertiary period and Quaternary period started. So this is the perfect era where the northern plains were formed. India collided with Eurasia, Himalayan formed, and northern plains were also formed. With this, the series of learning Indian northern plains journey is over. Tomorrow or Monday, we will come up with the new part of the Indian geography, and that would be of part 16. So till then, keep practicing these MCQs. It would help you guys. Thank you.